The peacock, scientifically known as Pavo cristatus, is one of the most magnificent and recognizable birds in the world. Known for its breathtaking plumage, vibrant colors, and unique courtship displays, the peacock has fascinated humans for centuries. It is a bird that is not only admired for its beauty but also respected for the cultural, spiritual, and ecological significance it carries. In this detailed description, we will explore what the peacock does, what it eats and drinks, how it lives, and why it holds such an important place in both nature and human society. Physical appearance. The most striking feature of the peacock is its spectacular tail feathers, also called a train. This train is not actually the tail itself but elongated upper tail covers that bear colorful eye-like patterns. When the male peacock fans out his feathers, the display creates an arc of iridescent blues, greens, and golds that shimmer in the sunlight. The female, known as the peahen, does not have such extravagant feathers. She has more muted brown and gray colors, which help her blend into the environment, especially when nesting. This difference in appearance is an example of sexual dimorphism, a phenomenon common in many animal species. Behavior and daily activities. Peacocks are primarily ground-dwelling birds. During the day, they spend a lot of time foraging for food. They are excellent walkers and can cover large areas in search of insects, plants, and small creatures. Although they are capable of flying, they usually fly only short distances, often to escape predators or to reach safe roosting spots in trees. At night, peacocks prefer to sleep high in the trees, away from potential ground predators. Another notable behavior is their loud and distinctive calls. Peacocks are very vocal birds and produce a variety of sounds, especially during the breeding season. Their calls can be heard from long distances and often serve as warnings or as ways to attract potential mates. Diet. What the peacock eats. Peacocks are omnivores, meaning they consume both plant-based and animal-based foods. Their diet in the wild typically includes grains and seeds. They forage for grass seeds, rice, corn, and wheat in agricultural fields. Insects. Beetles, ants, termites, grasshoppers, and other small insects are an important protein source. Small reptiles. They sometimes eat lizards and small snakes. Interestingly, they are known to kill and consume poisonous snakes, making them useful in controlling snake populations. Fruits and berries. Wild fruits, berries, and tender shoots form another part of their diet. Flowers and plants. They peck at soft leaves, buds, and flowers. This varied diet helps them maintain their vibrant feathers and active lifestyle. Drinking habits. What the peacock drinks. Like most birds, peacocks primarily drink water. They are often seen drinking from ponds, rivers, or any available water sources. In regions with little water, they adapt by consuming moisture from fruits and insects. Access to clean water is essential for their survival, as it keeps them hydrated and supports their overall health. Reproduction and courtship. The courtship ritual of the peacock is one of the most fascinating displays in the animal kingdom. During the breeding season, the male fans out his massive train of feathers and shakes them in a shimmering display. The bright, eye spots on the feathers are thought to attract the female's attention. Along with this visual display, the male often emits loud calls to further impress the peahens. Peahens typically lay between 3 to 5 eggs at a time. The eggs are incubated by the female alone, who carefully guards the nest. The chicks are born with a light brown color and are able to walk and feed themselves shortly after hatching. Habitat and distribution. The peacock is native to South Asia, particularly India and Sri Lanka, but it has been introduced to many other parts of the world due to its beauty and cultural importance. They are often found in forests, grasslands, and near villages where food is abundant. Peacocks adapt well to human presence and are commonly seen around temples, gardens, and farms in India. Symbolism and cultural importance. Throughout history, the peacock has been a symbol of beauty, pride, and immortality. In Hindu mythology, the peacock is associated with Saraswati, the goddess of wisdom, and with Kartikeya, the god of war. In Buddhism, it represents compassion and purity.